Hey everybody, welcome to this tutorial on CCM access for non-administrative users. We can start by pointing out that administrator users in Nagios XI have full access to the CCM and don't need any additional settings. And while we're talking about the CCM, the settings for what users can see and do in the CCM, those are actually on the admin page under the Manage Users section. So let's start by editing an existing non-administrative user. Here's the Core Config Manager Access dropdown, and you can see that there are 4 options. None is the default and hopefully self-explanatory. The login option preserves the legacy method of CCM access where users have a separate CCM login. Unless you're currently using the legacy CCM option, you probably won't choose this one. The limited option is really cool because this option extends a user's multi-tenancy settings to the CCM. With this option, the user will only be able to see and control CCM settings for the hosts and services they are listed as a monitoring contact on. If you select the full option, the user can see and control every object in the CCM. Keep in mind that no matter which of the 4 options you choose, non-administrative users will not be able to do CCM administration. These are things like manage legacy type CCM users, change CCM settings, or see full system configs or the audit log. That's all you need to know to set up CCM access for non-administrative users. Questions? Comments? Let us know in the section below.